In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unblock yourself on WhatsApp. When you send a message, if it only shows a tick, your friend's profile picture will disappear and you won't be able to add them to a new group. That's how you know someone blocked you on WhatsApp. To fix it, use a friend's phone, a relative's phone, or your secondary phone. Open WhatsApp on this phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select New Group. Add your number and the person who blocked you to this new group, and tap the check mark to create the group. From your secondary phone, send the message in the group. You will see that the message is delivered. And on the secondary phone, tap the three dots and select More. Then exit group. Delete the group from the secondary phone. And all you have to do is to open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the newly created group. Change the group name to your friend's name if you wish and send the message in the group. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.